Good morning. It's 6:45. Shit, I have to show you one thing. It's like this grass-covered car. That's so weird. I worked from home yesterday, so I don't know what the storage looks like, but they did clean it up last week and excited to see.
Anybody out there following their dreams? Anybody in the city working through jobs so they can get to bigger, better things? You can't see the hours that I put in every day and night. Go to every trick or right, go to every bit of made just to hit them with the fade when I stick it to the people that told me that I couldn't. Yeah.
Well, what do you know? I actually wasn't totally sure if we had a floor because I hadn't seen the floor in ages. We do have a floor.
I'm cool with the way God made me, yeah. But the way you react, I can tell that your hatred intact. You call me dirty, uneducated, illegal.
I didn't know we had a table here. We seem to have 2 tables. This is wonderful.
Boy, this is not about you.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be working in the site in the middle of the woods, villa, summer place, cottage, stuga, and I think I'll be finished maybe after lunch, right after lunch, I think. And I just got a message from an old customer in the morning that they have a electrical outlet which is heating up even if nothing is connected to it. This is a place where I haven't done the electrics. I was there to fix the LED lights because somebody had connected them totally wrong. They had connected it so that when you turn off the lights, you just cut off the neutral. Anyways, today I'm going to go through all the stuff that was left over from the gig from last week that I have to do now in the morning, and then I'm heading to the stuga. If I have time, I'm gonna go fix that electrical outlet, which is heating up. Now, off to work.
Still get misidentified, some think that I speak Arabic. Heard it all before from cowel head down to
a presence sensor. I think we have 5 of them already on the site. Looks like we needed 1 more. It was last week, it was like the most beautiful spring, and now it's snowing again. It's okay, I like snow, but I also like spring. It's 8:23 and I'm ready to go to work. Need to open the door first.
You can't hold me down. You can't hold me down. You can't hold me down. You can't hold me down.
It's 9:17. I'm at the site and I'm gonna go there to work.
You can't hold me down.
Well, what do you know? It's lunch o'clock. I haven't eaten anything today, but I'm gonna go to the office and eat there. I'm done here. I'm gonna get back here next week to finish the floor heating. We're gonna change the fuse board and finish off the terrace, but that'll be a bit later when it's a bit warmer. Now I'm gonna go eat. Let's rinse the coffee machine. Okay, so I came to the office to eat my lunch because here we have a toilet, it's warm and it's dry, so I'm happy we have this kind of place. After my lunch, I'm gonna call the client with the hot electrical outlet and I'm gonna go check that one out. Sriracha kanna salatti. I think that's gonna be good. Sriracha sauce, that can't be bad. Let's see. It's actually very good. Sorry. Do you guys have any experience of Selecta, the job meal coffee maker? Because I'm not totally convinced. Okay, could that have been the problem?
Black kids call me a cracker, white kids call me a beaner. Ain't lunch in school alone cause I didn't fit in with either. They told me that I can't rap. Did you forget?
I've actually always loved getting older because it's always meant that I get a little bit smarter every year. I get more confident. Life keeps getting better all the time, I think. And hence, I would not want to be younger than I am. And I'm only looking forward to getting older because it means I get to see our kids growing up. My own life keeps changing and evolving and expanding all the time. And it just feels great. Everything's like stable. And even if everything keeps changing all the time and evolving, it's still like life is basically very stable. I'm super happy. I would not want to be 20 years old now. Never. So if you're under 20, I know there are a few guys watching these videos who are under 20 years old. Enjoy life, but keep in mind that it will only get better.
You can't hold me down. You.
Gloves. Don't we have any gloves here? Nope. This storage looks so different. You can like find things here. Okay, fine. No gloves.
Got grandpa that was German.
Well, if it was snowing when I got here, it's definitely snowing now. Spring, where are you?
Same blood blows my mind, they still think less of him. They conflicted with the self-hate, got this shit from the wounds that are cut deep. So when other people say we gotta retaliate, man, it's our own hearts that are too weak. Sick Confederate flags in the back.
So there's something wrong with the outlet. So now I'm gonna have to try to find that fault so I know what to fix.
I speak Arabic, heard it all before, from cowel head down to a terrorist. The butt of all your jokes, I got my hand up on a bomb trigger.
I was gone for an hour and the car is totally snow covered. Okay, it's 3:15. Now I've packed up my stuff, I'm ready to go. And I would like to send a shout out to Mikael SJÖBERG in Åland for having a great vlog. I definitely recommend you go check it out. I'll link the description in the bio box with the subscriptions. I'll put the link in the description, right? Go and check him out. He's got a cool vlog. I definitely recommend it. And hey, thanks for watching. You're super. It's really nice that you watched this video. Thanks for watching it to the end. And please come back next time. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and press the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. And hey, thanks. Have a great one. Totally forgot what I was supposed to say. Take care. Bye-bye then.